Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze ayah number 26 of Surah Mulk. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now this begins with the word qul. Now what will you do for this word? Keep your qaf heavy without any air in it, and join your qaf with the lam, and your lam should be given moderate timing. Do not bounce your lam, and keep your lam light. Now moving on to this part. Over here your hamza will join with the noon mushaddad, and here for the noon mushaddad you will give akmal gunna. That means the most complete gunna. Stretch your gunna. Hold the sound in your nasal passage. Join your meme with the lam and your ayn with the lam. Okay? And take care of the makhraj of ayn. Do not read it like hamza. And then give your meme one count because it is with dhamma. So it will be innamal ilmu. Okay, inshallah. Now moving on to this part over here. Your ayn should be from its makhraj. And then this part, look at this part. What is this? The noon is followed by the letter dal. So what will you do? You will hide your noon over here. Okay, inshallah. And your gunna should be light over here because the letter dal is a light letter. Join your dal with the lam over here, and the name of Allah over here should be read with heavy lamat. Okay, and the ha over here should be given one count. So how will you read? Indallahi. Okay, now moving on to this word. Your vav should be given one count, and it should be by circling of your lips. And again your hamza over here will join with the noon mushaddad. It's the same thing like you did over here. Okay, so innama, but what is different over here is that you have this meme with this elongation sign because this is followed by a hamza. So this is mad jaiz munfasil over here. So you can give 4 or 5 counts. Okay, now moving on to this part over here. Now what do you see over here? You see this alif. Now this alif is like with this oblong zero, which is known as sifr mustatil. Okay, so for now what will you take care is that do not read that alif. Okay, do not read this alif. It will be as if ana. Your hamza should be given one count, and your noon should be given one count too. Ana. Okay, do not read that alif. Now moving on to this part. Here the noon should be given one count. Okay, and your dal should be given 2 counts because it is with ya maddiya, and take care of the makhraj of dal. Okay, the tip of your tongue should touch the edges of the front teeth. Your ra should be heavy, and then the rule over here is idgham because tanween is followed by the letter mim, so it is idgham. So stretch your gunna. Okay, the noon in this tanween merges into this meme, so it will be nadhirum mubin. Okay, inshallah, the noon at the end should be given moderate time. So practice well with the Shaykh, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakum Allahu khair wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.